The PS5 Slim WV-109144-9 error indicates that the PlayStation console is disconnected from the Internet. This issue can occur due to temporary glitches, a weak signal between the router and PS5, or outdated router firmware. To resolve the problem, several solutions can be tried. Restarting the PS5 Slim by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. Then unplugging the power cable and waiting 10 minutes before reconnecting and turning it back on may solve temporary glitches. Enhancing the signal strength between the router and PS5 can also help. This can be done by connecting another device to the router to confirm it's working. Restarting the router if necessary. Moving the PlayStation closer to the router for a stronger wireless signal, or using a wired cable for a more stable connection. Additionally, updating the router firmware can resolve the issue. This can be done by navigating to the router's website, logging in with the user credentials, and finding the firmware update option in the settings, which may vary slightly depending on the router model. By trying these solutions, the PS5 Slim WV-109144-9 error can be fixed, and the console can be reconnected to the Internet.